Oh, thank you, thank you. I know, I do look amazing. I would be like the prom queen, but I need to find a dress first. Nope. Pass. Nah, don't like that. None of these will do. Wait, that's it! That's the dress! The detailing, the artistry, the gems. It's beautiful! It's the dress of my dreams. It would look great on me. Hold on. It's how much? For a dress? Wow, that's crazy. I hope I can afford it. Let's find out. Somehow, I don't think that's enough. I guess it's not meant to be. A girl can dream, though. Wait a second. I have an idea. I'll need this. I'm about to turn this into something special. I'll lay it on the table. Then I'll need a black marker pen. I'll draw a line across the chest. Now I need to draw a line on the shoulder. Can't forget about the other side. Next I'll make a line across the neck. I'll need scissors. I'll cut it into sections. I've cut mirrored fabric into strips. I'll attach straps to the neckline and the waist. And it's ready to wear. Whoa, this looks great. I've paired it with sparkly trousers. It's chic and stylish. And it was so easy to do. Let's party! Oh yeah. Jasmine is our new prom queen! Oh my gosh! This is so relaxing. I never get me time. It feels so nice for a change. I'm gonna make the most of it. Huh? What's that? Oh, it's from Justin. Wait, 15 minutes? I need to get ready! I completely forgot we were meeting. I better be quick. I've got no time to style my hair. A little powder. That'll do. The shirt's cute. Almost ready. These jeans always look good on me. Huh. They're a lot tighter than I remember. Come on! Get on! I don't have time for this! Why is this so hard? Ugh! This is so annoying! Let's try this again. Wait! I did it! Phew. What a relief. I take it all back. Time to go. Wait a second. Are you kidding me? I wondered why there was a draft. Ah! This is a disaster. What is it now? Ugh, I need to change. And fast. Unless… I know what to do. I'll need this lace fabric. And a pair of scissors. I'll cut the lace in half. And I'll make a cut along the seam of my jeans. I'll go all the way down the leg. Now I'll apply glue to the seam. Then I'll stick the lace to it. I want it to be nice and secure. That should do it. This is just what I imagined. Can't wait to show it off. That was a lot easier. These jeans make a great maxi skirt. Hey, I'm on my way. Ooh, that's a good stretch. Feel the burn. These bad boys don't look after themselves. No pain, no gain. Oh my gosh, Justin's looking over at me. I'm so bad at flirting. Looking at myself in the mirror. What? Are you for real? This'll get his attention. I'm a lean, mean exercising machine. No? Still nothing? Let's try a different approach. I'll do some neck rolls and add in a casual hair flick. It works in the shampoo commercials. Whoa. I'm getting dizzy. Phew. I need a break. And he's still not looking over. You're ruining the vibe. Just me and my biceps. Wow. That's kinda weird. I don't get it. Oh, now I do. My hair's a mess. I need to fix it. And I know just what to do. This'll be great. I'm gonna wow Justin. I'll need this foam noodle. I'll cut a section from it. That should be big enough. Then I'll wrap my hair around it. I'll keep it nice and tight. I need to hold it in place. This netting will do the trick. That's perfect. I'll do the same on the other side. It'll give me instant curls. I just need to wait. I'm gonna blow his mind. Oh, Justin. What is it now? What are you wearing? Watch this. Just give me a second. It's like I stepped out of a salon. I've never seen this in a gym before. This is the last one. Then a little hair flick. What do you think? Like what you see? Whoa. You look amazing. That's the reaction I was looking for. I knew that would work. Hey, Jasmine. Wanna hang out later? You can watch me pump iron. Let's go for dinner instead. Oh, that looks good. Wow, look at that pose. He's so sensitive. And dreamy. Okay, that's my favorite. It's like he's looking right at me. We'd make a great couple. I'll definitely like this one. Wait, he's got a tattoo? I need a closer look. It's so cool. And that love heart. It's so adorable. Maybe I should get some ink. I mean, my arms are pretty boring. But I'm scared of needles. Hang on. I forgot I had these stickers. Maybe I don't need a tattoo. I can use these instead. Worth a try. I'll peel off the backing and place it onto my arm. I'll press it flat. Now I need my makeup. Let's go for some orange. I want to cover the hearts. Next I'll try the blue eyeshadow. This is gonna be great. I should have thought of this before. It's gonna be like a real tattoo. And there's not a needle in sight. Whoa, it's better than I thought. Selfie time! And now I'll post it. I hope Justin sees it. Wow, it's getting likes already. Oh, a message. Is this really happening? Of course I will. I've got a date with Justin! Woohoo! I better get ready. What an amazing day. I've had the best time. Whoa! Ugh, that hurt. I'm just glad no one was around to see it. Blech. Oh no, my dress! It's torn. I think I can fix this. Mother Nature would be proud, and so am I. I can't believe I overslept! But I made it to school on time. I better get changed for gym class. At least I remember my clothes. Let's play ball! Hey, I'm here! Huh? Look at this mess. Those pesky kids never clean up. This can all go in the trash. A cleaner's work is never done. What would they do without me? Probably hire another cleaner. Whatever, my work here is done. What a great game! Time to get dressed. Hold up. Where's the rest of my clothes? They were right here! They can't have just disappeared. This is bad. I can't go to class like this. Huh? It's my scarf. This might come in handy. I'll fold it in half, then I'll wrap it around my waist. First this end, and then the other. I'll need my hair tie. I'll pinch the fabric and slip the hair tie over it. That'll hold it in place. Wow, I love this. At least my shoes are still here. I'm working this. Phew, what a day. I've cleaned the house, vacuumed everywhere, and now it's laundry time. I feel like I've not stopped all day. But it has to be done. At least it's almost finished. There's only one more thing to iron, and then I can relax. Maybe I'll watch a movie. Oh, someone's calling me. I better take it. Hello? Hey, how are you? Really? Mindy did what? That's so funny. We should do lunch. Wait, what's that smell? It smells like burning. No! The iron! Ugh, my top. There's a hole in it. I can't wear this again. Or can I? I have an idea. I just need a little inspiration. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. It's so colorful. I'll place it over the hole. Now I need plastic wrap. I'll use it to cover the picture. I'll cut off the excess wrap. I'm done with this. Next I'll need a piece of heat-proof paper. This'll go on top of the plastic. I need to cover it completely. Let's add some heat. I'll run the iron over the picture. I'll keep it nice and smooth. That should do it. I'm a professional with an iron. I hope it worked. I'll peel off the paper. It's just how I planned it. Wow, I should burn more tops. Hey, I'm a fashion designer now. I'm running late. These shoes will do. Looking good. What bag should I take? It's all about the accessories. This goes with my dress. Not so sure. This won't do. What else is there? It's okay, but it doesn't pass the shoe test. It's staying home. Oh, this might work. I love the color. But it's not got that wow factor. That's a hard no. Nah. No way. Ha! Not a chance. I've went through all my bags. Nothing goes with my outfit. Do I even need a bag? I can just carry my things. Maybe not. Wait a moment. That's perfect. I have a plan. I'll put my money into the purse, and I can't forget my makeup. It fits! Yes! I'm so happy. This is more like it. And my shoes look amazing. Now I can go to dinner. Ugh. I'm awake! Shut up! I was having the best dream. I'm so not a morning person. Talk about a bad hair day. I'll need to wash it. Let's try this again. That's more like it. A quick blast with a hairdryer. Hold on. My skin's so dull. That's okay. I have just the thing. I'll apply this face mask. This'll fix everything. It's like a miracle cream. My skin will be glowing. Can't forget about my nose. Things I have to do to look good. I'll need more. So much for getting my beauty sleep. Phew. This is hard work. I'm so tired. I'll close my eyes for a moment. Unicorns can't drive cars. Huh? I must have fallen asleep. What time is it? No, it can't be! I left the face mask on for too long! It's not coming off. Why is everyone staring at me? At least I'll look good in the photographs. Grow old gracefully, they said. No! I can't let that happen! Okay, think. There must be something I can do. The vacuum, of course! I'll suck it right off my face. It's the only thing for it. Wish me luck. Hey, it's working. The mask is coming off. This is so easy. And it feels funny. I'm almost finished. It's all gone. My skin is flawless. There's one more thing to do. You can go in the trash. It's our little secret, okay?
Gotta stay alert.
This is messing up my hair. Whoa, this is fancy. I'm here for the party.
Say what? We've got a dress code.
What do you mean? Oh, this is awkward. Okay, I better change. This shouldn't take long. Ooh, this looks good. I'll try it on. Wow, this really suits me. I'll need shoes to match. Let's see. They'll go well with my outfit. Ooh, I love them! Now I need some accessories. That's what makes an outfit. I'll go for something shiny. This is perfect. Can't forget about a handbag. I'll go for this one. I think that's everything. I'm ready to party. Let's go. Ahem. Is this more like the dress code?
You nailed it. Now, about the fee.
The what? Are you serious? Meh, it'll be worth it. I'll use my credit card. Wait a second. I might have a problem. I need to go.
Okay, that was weird.
Ah, what an amazing sleep. Ow! My neck! That really hurts. I need to fix this. I better stretch it out. Time for some yoga. I hope this works. Ow! Ouch! Wow, I'm so unfit. Wait, this isn't right. I can't move my leg. Ugh, I'm trapped! Ugh, this top isn't good for working out. I need to make some adjustments. I know what to do. I'll twist it in the middle. Then I'll bunch it together. Okay, let's try this again. This should be a lot easier. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm a yoga master. Okay, I can do this! This is harder than it looks. Gotta keep going! That was the best yet! I definitely worked up a sweat. Let's see how much I lost. I'm so nervous. Wow, I don't believe it! I knew that would work! I better try on some clothes. What should I wear first? Ugh, why did I buy this? That's so not my look. Ooh, my jeans. Wait, they're huge! I can't wear these. Back they go. This might be promising. I'll give it a go. Ooh, that's cute. But it's on the big side. But I know how to fix it. I'll just use my hair ties. I'll pinch the top of the skirt, then wrap the hair tie around it. What about my top? It's gotta go. Ooh, this might do. It's not ideal, but it'll have to do. Who am I kidding? It's like something my dad would wear. But I have an idea. I'll turn it around. Hang on, I'm not finished. I'll pull the shirt up. Then I'll tie it at the back. Just like this. So far so good. But it still needs work. I'll roll up the sleeves. Then fold over the seam. Wow, what a difference! Wait, something isn't right. I'll spin the skirt around. That's more like it. Now I need a bag. Okay, I'm ready. My clothes are washed. Now I need to fold them. This is the easy part. I'm on a roll. Hold on. How did that happen? Oh, I remember. No way! Okay, speak soon. Bye! Huh? Did I do that? This is supposed to go on the painting! Wow, I'm so talented. Oh, I like this top. It's ruined. Wait, I know. I think I can improve this. All I need is bleach. Let's get to work. I'll squirt bleach over the top. I'll let it drip down. Nice and easy does it. That should be enough. Now I'll wait. Look at this. It looks so stylish. I wish all my clothes were like this. Woohoo! Maybe they could be. I still have a lot of bleach. Time to strut my stuff. Oh, so chic. Yeah, I get that all the time. Excuse me, coming through.
Oh no, you don't!
Whoa!
Oh, are you okay?
How did that happen? Look at my shoe!
Ooh, that's not good.
I know what to do. I'll need this. What is she doing? I'll build an easel on the heel. Then I'll grab my glue gun. I'll add a small dab here. Then stick a brush to it. But I'm not done. I'll need to add some color. These paints will do the job. Then I'll place a canvas on the easel. They look great! Time to get creative. I'll make my own masterpiece. I'll paint a flower. Mother Nature will be proud. I better add some leaves. Check this out. It's pretty good, huh?
Can she do that?
Wow. Huh?
Bravo! You win!
Really? You mean it? Oh, come on! That's not fair. A little glue, and that's it! I love these pencils! Wow! Hey! What are you doing? We're going out, remember? Oh no, the party! You better get ready. Luckily, I'm here to help. Let's see what's in here. Are you kidding me? I guess I need to clean. This is disgusting. What else is in here? Pretend you didn't see those. It'll be my pleasure. Let's try a different drawer. Huh, what's this? I guess this'll do. Put it on. This is my color! But it's not very glamorous. I'm not finished. We can use this belt. Are you sure about this? How does it look? Ugh, not good. We need to think of something else. Aha! What's that? My glue gun! Watch this. I'll make a pattern with the glue, just like this. I'll need to make it bigger. I'll work my way around the edge. Then I'll wait for the glue to set. Next, I'll add some color. I'll use blue spray paint. I'll do the same with another one. This time I'll use red paint. Now I can put it on. What do you think? It's good, huh?
Wow! Nice job!
It's a butterfly! It's the perfect outfit. And it was so easy. I love it! What are we waiting for? Let's party! You need one more thing. Ah, of course. Okay, let's go! Sounds good to me. You're so soft and squishy. Happy birthday! I've got something for you. Aw, you shouldn't have. That's so sweet. No way! I hope you like it. How did you know? It's just what I wanted. I can't wait to try it on. Huh? Wait a second. It doesn't fit. Can you believe it? Oh, I'm so sorry. I got the wrong size. What am I gonna do? I think I have an idea. I know what to do. I'll take that. This'll definitely work. I'll pass it through the loops, but it'll only go halfway. Then I'll loop it back. Like this. Now I can fasten it. Ta-da! It fits! Wow, thanks! It looks amazing! It really suits you. You're the best! Wow! Those were some clever hacks and crafts. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.